Nice fillet.
Chào ông phone. Đăng phần áp bên play dưới chân camera máu.
That's what you want to hear.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, they're sharp. Look at that. Ah.
Whoa! Go get the big net. Give me the big net. Give me the big net.
Oh, hold on. Yeah. Keep it up. And yeah, keep the pole up. Keep the pole up. Bạn chìm riệp xua bụng màng phone. Nhưng mà bô chanh cho tì rai bụng màng phone. Bạn đâu ní nấu cái đau á vì bảy ngày ní hay vì bảy ngày tầm một tiết cái đau bạn chân nấu tè ọt xua lên dương tàu nôm lực po miền Nam chơi miền ấy tràn miền saboទឹកហូរសបោអេនឹងបាននេះបាទអានឹងជា excuse ទេណាបងប្អូនតាមពិតជា excuse ឲ្យតារាចេញពីផ្ទះទេម្ដងនេះទៅពីនេះទៅម្នាក់ឯងមិនតែទៅជួបអត់ឲ្យចន់នៅលើបាទទៅម្ដងនេះគឺសំដៅទៅស្ទូចត្រីហ្មងបងប្អូនយើងថ្ងៃមុនយើងស្ទូចនៅកន្លែងបឹងហ្នឹងអត់បានទេបានយើងមូទៅបឹងមួយទៀត Rock Creek នោះបានណាប៉ុន្តែអាទិត្យនេះផ្សេងយើងទៅយើងសំដៅទៅកន្លែងជ្រៅដែលយើងទៅលើកថ្ងៃមុនមនុស្សគេយួរកន្លែងអស់ឥឡូវយើងទៅកន្លែងហ្នឹងជំរឿបានត្រីឬអត់ប៉ិនពួកគាត់ទៅមុនគាត់បានហើយអញ្ចឹងដំណឹងល្អបាទឥឡូវមុននឹងទៅដាក់ទឹកចូលទឹកឡានដើម្បីក្រន់តែមួយកុំឲ្យបាក់ទៅដល់រយយើងបញ្ចូលតែពាក់កណ្ដាលបានណាអញ្ចឹងហើយផ្លែស្កានេះនោះធំនោះទុំឥឡូវយើងកុំទុកវាអីមួយថ្ងៃពីរទៀតវាទុំញោពេលត្រមកវិញអញ្ចឹងយើងទៅបេះអាហ្នឹងហើយទៅបរយតោះអូទុំហើយនេះបងប្អូនឃើញថ្ងៃមុនឃើញខ្ញុំចូលទៅថ្ងៃមុនអត់តាន់ទុំនៅបៃតងឡើយឥឡូវនឹងទុំនៅដូចលឿនមែនតែនដូចមិនសមហ្នឹងតង់ឃើញហ្មងពេជ្រធំល្អផ្លែតែមួយម្ដងនេះមើលនេះអូល្អដល់មួយនេះបងប្អូនមើលណា Wow so beautiful pink អាពួកនេះផ្លែធំល្អប៉ុន្តែឆ្នាំមុនវាមានដូចថាជូរបន្តិចណា Good morning, Runsus Day. Look at this beautiful Lake Mary again. Coffee with me. So this time we're on this side of the lake. Last week we were on the other side. We didn't get any bite, but everybody's catching fish on this side because it's deeper water today. And look at how beautiful morning we got. And I already caught one to start with, and I lost one. That thing took my rod out of the chair. but I lost it. So hopefully they've been catching some good size over there, and he just lost another big size over there. So hopefully we catch some over here today. Art was doing well yesterday on this side. Art is here, so we'll see how it goes today. But it's beautiful morning already. Yeah, បងប្អូនមើលនេះក៏ទេសភាពក៏យើង enjoy the morning. Yeah, ហើយត្រីធំៗមកខាងនេះបងប្អូនបានមួយបន្តិចទៀតយើងទៅមើលវាប៉ុន្តែនៅទៀតក៏ថាធំជាងនេះទៀតបាទ Okay, this is what I just caught. Look how big it is already. How beautiful that trout is. Yeah.
No. It's a big fish.
It's okay. Don't be scared. Just
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
have to keep it up.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What do I do?
It's okay. It's okay. You're all right.
No, bring your pole up, hun. Yeah. That's it, and then just don't reel anymore.
Yes.
Good job. មួយមើលចាប់អត់ Wow ចាប់ឡើងអត់នេះណាអូខេធំមែនទេណាមួយថាត់ត្រោះ Nice fillet. Okay. បានខាងនោះមួយទៀតមិញប៉ុន្តែខាងនេះដែលពួកគាត់they got more bites over here and they left, so I moved a little bit over here, but ចប់ហើយបងប្អូនដឹងប៉ុណ្ណាបើផ្លេចយកជើងកាមេរ៉ាមកនេះមកកោងដងចាំមើល Falling down, I can feel the head.
Yeah.
There you go. Not bad. Here we go. Oh, your line, go. Don't run, be careful. Careful. I like the mà chuối đuổi này. Trai tiền sự túi có đạch xài ở trai phần này chứ. A beautiful day. Now we just relax and watch the poles. It's a nice day out here. That's what you want to hear. Pulling the drag. That's what you want to hear. It's still way out there. Whoa. This thing's a little bit heavy, John. Oh, right there, surfers. Oh, it's a good fish. It is a good fish. Yeah, I got your line. Look at that shark. Dang.
Oh, look at that.
Look at the shark. Ready, John?
Oh, look at that. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Whoa. Just unhook your leader.
Thank you.
John, hold it for him. Hold it for him.
I got it.
Hook the
I
leader
got it.
with
I'm
your
just gonna break it. Yeah.
Oh, you cut the wrong one. You're supposed to cut hearts. There you go, bro.
You see this?
Oh, bang pon. Thom mui chứ ra. Look at it. Ah, nice, beautiful rainbow trout. Look at that color. Whew. Wow, big fish. Ngày nay dân mà hụtក្នុងព្រៃ roastery chicken and some ground chicken there, chicken breast with my pickle. Oh yeah, simple but it's good out here. Look at this with the view. Yep, simple lunch with the view, and about to be another big fish right now. Catch. បងប្អូនមើលនេះទេសភាពក៏ស្អាត
បាយមកទឹកមកឃើញសាបាយមួយខ្ញុំ
ខ្លះមើលម្ទេស
ម្ទេសជ្រក់ត្រសក់សាច់មាន់ឆាគ្រឿងសាច់មាន់អូឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់ជាពិសេសនឹង
ចាំបាច់អីនេះ simple enough មួយចានមួយនេះអង្គុយមើលស្ទូចនៅមាត់ទឹកមើលនេះ
ឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់
ថ្លាឆ្វង់វានោះទឹកនោះមិនឲ្យខៀវមើលនេះហើយថ្ងៃនេះនៅខាងផ្ទះយើងឯនោះប្រហែលជាង100 degree បាច់
នេះតែ60ទេ
ចប់គេថាចប់
ចាប់ដល់
អូខេឥឡូវបាយហើយបងប្អូនបានត្រីទៅដួសសិនឮថាធ្ងន់ Yeah, heavy. No, we scared. Just when they get close by, don't reel too close. While you still have some line, just slide it to the net.
Don't watch. Come this way more. There you go.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
Just take your time, real. Whoa! No. Just don't worry. Go get the big net. Give me the big net.
Oh, hold on. It's okay. It's okay. Just keep it tied up like that. That is a big fish.
Keep it on.
I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go back up.
Oh, I can see that. Man. Yeah. Keep it up. And yeah, keep the pole up. Keep the pole up.
You're fine.
You're fine. Keep the pole up, hun. Keep up. Yes. Don't bring it down. Don't bring it down. Good job.
I told you we had to eat.
Good job. Good job.
That's awesome.
It's 300 miles per hour. Man, that's so heavy. It's like salmon.
Mm.
Look at that fatty. Chunky too.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh my
No,
goodness.
no, drop that.
Yeah.
Arch Guide Service.
Nice fish. Good job. Tranh bị tực tịnh mà. Nice. Wow. One more hookup. Everybody. No. ធំទៀតបងប្អូននោះហែលមកដល់នេះខាងនេះនេះមួយធំបងប្អូន guys always big fat fish around here watch oh right here
Yeah, he's a nice fish. Give me the net.
here's the net yeah there you go good job keeping it up oh yeah look at that guy wow yeah do like how I told you and then closer and then turn sideways no still fighting ទឹកថ្លាឆ្វង់ល្អទៀតមើលឃើញច្បាស់ចេះនោះឃើញទេ There you go no Not a nice one. Oh, look at that.
It's salmon.
Looks like salmon.
It's silver.
That's what I'm talking about. Look at this. And look at the view we have here. I don't want to go too close to the lake. You might go back. See that? So nice. Đôiត្រីsalmon chứ nào, Paul. See that? Yeah. Okay. Another hookup. Now hook up over here. I'm just a photographer today because mine's been slow for a while. Let's go see again. Too many logs, they don't go too far.
That's okay. You're fine. No, don't plump. Just keep it like that. Okay.
I don't see it yet.
You see him?
No.
He's a big fish, dude.
Broke?
It's okay. Hey,
It broke?
oh, get him back. Come on, let's go.
It broke off right there?
Oh, no, he got off.
Yeah, I got off, huh?
You know what happened? There's a tree right there. He hit the tree.
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
Oh, the whole line.
Yeah, it broke off the line.
The whole line.
It's okay. Let's go back. Come on.
Okay. Get another one.
Big, honey.
That was a big fish.